Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails, as well as the first coat of polish. For this design, you'll want to paint all of your nails sheer. When the base color is dry, make a white blob in one of the corners. This is going to be a flower, so don't worry too much about it being neat. When you're happy with the shape of your flower, use a dark green to make a couple leaves beside it. Keep using the same green to make a vine down the length of your nail. When you're happy with the vine, add some leaves to it. Do the same thing on the other side of the flower. Use brown to make a fan shape in the center of the flower. Forget-me-nots are one of my favorite flowers, so I added a couple to 3 of the nails for a little pop of color. If you want to add them as well, use a light blue to make a couple small, 5-petaled flowers along the vines. Let us know what your favorite flowers are in the comments below. Add a small white dot to the center of each forget-me-not. Finally, use a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. You can watch more videos on cutepolish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.